Hey guys. So this one's like moving houses but digitally. How to change your app store country. Useful if an app isn't available in your region. First of all, you need to empty your Apple ID subscriptions. Like if you have pending payments, whatever, subscriptions, just make it zero. Just delete everything, right? If you have a subscription, active subscription, make sure to cancel it immediately. If you have if you hold some kind of payment, also shut it down. Okay. Now what you're gonna do? Open settings. Go to the Apple ID account or Apple account, and find media purchases. And you're gonna see a pop-up window. Sign out and view account. Press view account. Right, and then enter your password or verify via facial recognition. Just press country and region, or country or region, okay? And change the country or region. Select the country you want, right? Let's say United States, right? And just agree to the terms, all right? And if the country allows, just put a payment method, okay? Restart the App Store and voila, new country unlocked. Apple basically thinks you moved overnight. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.